And here is that metal container, which we are going to repurpose as a raised vegetable bed. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look. Can you feel our excitement? Can you feel our excitement? This is it. On its own empty, it weighs. On its own empty, it weighs 62 kg. Ugh, that's a whole human being. So this is what the new raised gardens are going to look like. I'm sure we'll get the appropriate paint and put on there as well. We'll probably paint. It's cold. We shall probably paint them. What colour are we going to paint them? We'll paint them grey. I think we'll paint them grey. Okay, so I just thought I had to show you the first one going into place, but we're far from complete. It's just to sort of get an idea. We need to put some boulders underneath it so that it does not sink into the soil. And we're just measuring up and all kinds of stuff. When I say we, you can see that I'm holding the camera. Okay, then I will update you as we make progress. Let me go and give a hand, okay? It shall all be clear soon. Long enough? Yeah, 3. Okay, that's not bad. Wherever there's a problem, there's always a solution. Digging a trench, and I'll explain later on the purpose of this. Hopefully it will become apparent. If you think you can figure this out with a long plank of wood and the trench being dug, then by all means drop me a comment. Drop me a comment if you have figured out what this is, the purpose of this trench. So we're digging out a trench. This is hard work. This is a project that has been in the making for a long time, and we put it off for such a long time, but it's time. It's time. Okay, that's certainly not the finished product. It's just to sort of see how it's going to work out. In the meantime, guess what I'm doing? Absolutely shoveling soil, sifting soil, separating soil from the fine soil, the coarser soil, and the bits of debris. So I kind of like the fact that this place is just looking so discombobulated. I like that it is looking all kinds of, because let's see, we've got one wheelbarrow with the larger parts of soil. We have one that I'm filling up with the pebbles. We have this bed here with the sifted. We have the sieve going on here. We have the digging going on here, the trench. And I hope it will become apparent soon what we're doing here in order to have these sit on something. There you go, there's a clue. But we are making progress. It's a cold day, body's warm. I think our fingers are cold though. But honestly, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. We've got the birds for company. They're singing and cheering us along, as are you. Thank you. We've just removed a couple of the compost bins for now, temporarily just moved a bit further up the garden. So this area here, that as you saw previously had the wooden raised beds, are now free of those beds, and we're just preparing this area for the metal beds. It's a hard, tedious, many hours of hard work, but progress is being made. It's not something that's going to be completed in hours, nor perhaps days. We're talking about many weeks of hard work. String is going down just to create a straight line. And I will get back to you in just a moment. Yeah. The sun is setting and I'm calling it a day, although it may not be the end of the particular video, if you get my drift. In terms of what I'm able to do today, I'm done for today. The sun is setting in the UK. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep well. purpose of this is to provide a little bit more protection and to prevent pieces which are very inclined to injury or cause effects of injury. So here, by adding this